Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, pull the release. It's down here underneath. Release the secondary, the safety latch. It's over here. Squeeze it up. It's got hood struts. Washer fluid is under this cap here. The little symbol of the windshield washer. You just open it. There is a level sensor, so you'll have a light on the dash come on when it's low. But if you want to add some, you can just fill it up right to the top. This sounds pretty empty. And I'd bring it up almost to the top. I'll just put the cap on it. And you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.